What made you book this call?
I've actually been in therapy for the past, I would say, 2 years, on and off, because because like you can see my full name, my surname. Because of my surname, I was bullied a lot in school. Also, like, बहुत that typical quote unquote nice guy type. I'm like that. So
What is the biggest problem that you really think that you face around?
I can count on a single hand how many girls I've asked out. And all of them have said that okay, we are like, I'm not looking to date anyone right now. And every girl that I have, like, either they don't want to date at all, basically they don't want to date me.
Hi, but where are you from, bhai?
Hello, I'm from Mumbai.
You're from Mumbai. And how old are you?
Yeah, 24. I will be 25 in the month of April.
Acha. So you're almost 25 right now. How is your dating life, bhai?
Non-existent.
Non-existing. Cute.
Yeah, I have never been in a relationship, like,
Okay.
on a date, anything. Yeah.
What are you doing in terms of professionally? What are you doing in your life right now?
So, I work in a corporate right now. Somewhat, and you can say I'm a data research analyst from financial side. So, the like आपने देखा होगा कि उस मनी कंट्रोल और सम सिमिलर ऐप
Sorry.
कंट्रोल और इफ यू यूज मनी कंट्रोल और सम सिमिलर ऐप जहाँ पे आपको स्टॉक्स का डेटा या फिर कुछ दिख रहा होगा, सो सम पार्ट लाइक उसके कैलकुलेशंस में जो भी डेटा लगता है, वी प्रोवाइड दैट डेटा, सो आई एम ऑन दैट साइड.
So you basically work in IT sector, if I can say it right. Or minus?
It's more of a data collection side and data validation side.
Amazing, 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 amazing. So you're 24 right now. You have never been into a relationship or anything. What made you book this call? Matlab, with what made you choose to come on a call like this?
I will be honest with you.
So I want you to do this one.
Uh, so I am actually, I'm sorry. I have actually been in therapy for the past, I would say, 2 years, on and off, because because like you can see my full name, my surname. Because of my surname, I was bullied a lot in school. इसकी वजह से like my confidence was almost like finished. Somewhat after my school was over, I was aiming to like build some of my confidence back. But that talking aspect, abhi bhi like, well, please, the I also like, बहुत that typical quote unquote nice guy type. I'm like that. So, and every girl that I have, like, either they don't want to date at all, basically they don't want to date me, and or they want to focus on their career, on their studies and stuff like that. So like, ये game के बारे में I started listening about, like, I would say, after I like so from middle class, so like, बोलता है ना, that typical middle class boy who like dad से पैसे नहीं मांग सकता कुछ चीज़ों के लिए. Life was not a crisis as much, but बोलते हैं ना, we had to cut back on certain things that other guys were able to afford and I was not. So after I was able to get a job, like, and I'm earning decent for my age right now, so I came to the game through YouTube and how pickup and everything goes on. उसके through I got to know about some dating coaches, and through that I came across your Instagram platform. उसके ऊपर से I got to know about the WhatsApp group, and like आज भी like something जैसे ही वो ग्रुप पे like that message came in, I saw that okay, 4 or 5 people have already like reacted to that emoji. मैंने सबसे पहले react किया, and because of that I actually like मेरा उस इतना ध्यान था उस पे कि I didn't see the stay, मतलब मैं ट्रेन में था, I didn't see my station has come. तो उसके चक्कर में I fell down while getting off the train also. So like I got hurt a bit, but it's okay. I guess it was worth it.
Okay. Amazing. I hope this call will be worth it for you for sure, man. I'll try to. I really want to know the problems that you're facing so that we can work on it, and I can help you with some solution. And what are your goals? According to that, I can help you in giving you a roadmap how you can go towards it. I'm glad that you have been on this call. मेरे को ये चीज जानना है What is the biggest problem that you really think that you face around you?
If there is some girl that I like, I don't know why, but I just go into this, you know, very like, I don't know if you know this term, pavam, pure guy mode. Like, I will be some ऐसे बहुत हंस हंस के बात करता हूँ. हाँ, आई बिकम वेरी जेंटल वाइज स्पीकिंग. ऐसे लो टोन में वो लाइक अभी तो आपसे बात कर पा रहा हूँ, ये कुछ भी नहीं है. आई गोज टू लाइक मोर जेंटल, मोर हम्बल काइंड ऑफ वे. आई एम इज दैट मेक्स, आई डोंट नो व्हाट दे थिंक अबाउट मी, बट जैसे ही मैं लाइक सिंस आई हैव स्टार्टेड लाइक सीइंग, आई थिंक they lose respect for me and they automatically like put me in the friend zone or something. This has been like with every almost every like मैंने, I don't know, I know it's not a very big number, but if I can count on a single hand how many girls I've asked out, and all of them have said that okay, we are like, I'm not looking to date anyone right now, rather they are not. मैं समझ जाता हूँ they are talking like they don't want to date. अगर ऐसा होता तो like I just I know it's not a very big number, but if it happens, और ये भी बहुत inconsistent रहा है like the very last girl, the very first girl that I liked was in 10th standard, और उसके बाद पूरा 2 साल का एक ड्राई फेस था. उसके बाद आई लाइक उसके 2 साल, हाँ, उसके बाद डिग्री कॉलेज शुरू हुआ. डिग्री कॉलेज पूरा खत्म हो गया. उसके बाद लाइक आई आस्क्ड 3 to 4 गर्ल्स, बट उसके बाद भी नथिंग. सो आई गेस दैट पर्सनालिटी, one part I will say is personality, and second I would say is my own mindset, because मैं पहले ही बोल देता हूँ यार ये कहाँ पे है, ये आई गेस बिकॉज ऑफ द पास्ट एक्सपीरियंस इसकी ये थोड़ी हाँ बोलेंगी. दैट्स द सेकेंड एस्पेक्ट आई वुड से.
There is a thing called social conditioning. जो तू है आज, वो तू आज नहीं बना. It has been you throughout. All those bully and everything that you have had when people have bullied you or something like that. It's been part of your life. Okay, we can move ahead of this. Trust me, I'll tell you, my name is Harshit Gangaramani. Okay. I've bullied on my name. Due to my name, I have been bullied so much. I can relate to you. There is this Ganga Ramani thing. Okay. And that Ganga thing, my friends used to bully me a lot for that. Though it didn't matter to me so much, I can come back and reply back to them. My social conditioning was a little different, but I think your social conditioning was like uh, jahan pe the entire problem is created. So your social conditioning was like that, where you have been grown up that you don't have to reply to women, you don't have to talk to women so much, you don't have to talk to them loud or different things. That's why you have been such a nice guy, right? Or your mother around you, or your parents around you, or your relatives around you, they have told you कि ये चीजें सोसाइटी में एक्सेप्ट नहीं होती, इसको इस तरीके से किया जाता है, and that is how you have been reacting, right? So this has become your part of this has become part of your social conditioning, and even till today you are carrying that thing, and that's how people behave until they consciously make an effort of changing one particular thing into something else. ठीक है? तो it's not a big deal. Trust me, अगर मैं तेरे को एक सच बात बोलूं, it wouldn't be a big deal from being this guy to another guy, but you have to take a conscious effort of moving away from this to moving away and becoming something else. That is the only difference between someone, and it's a skill. Again, किसी की सोच, there must be some guys around you जहाँ पे तूने देखा होगा that they are very free, they are very comfortable talking to women, doing a lot of things. Their social conditioning was like that. While they were growing up, things that they learned from their parents or very close people around them, their relatives, their sisters, their mother, their brother, they must have made them comfortable कि ये चीजें comfort zone है, इसलिए वो उस तरीके से comfortable है. Trust me, there is nothing difference between. Nobody has learned anything before they were born. Everybody has learned things after being in this world. So there is nothing that we cannot learn. It's a skill that you can adapt slowly and gradually. हो सकता है where you stand right now, it will take a little time for you to adapt that skill, but the skill works. And when it works exponentially. जब तू उस चीज को सीखने लग जाएगा, उस पर वर्क करने लग जाएगा, trust me, it will grow exponential. A lot of things that you can work on: your grooming, your communication skills, your subcoms, your understanding of women, your psychology, the psychology that you can learn, making efforts, going out to new places, going out to places where you don't feel very much comfortable. Slowly and gradually, will tap on everything one step at a time, and slowly and gradually, you can improve on all these things. So, wherever you find yourself right now, trust me, it is not impossible for you to move that from that space to find the life that you want to have. Okay? Acceptance is required. Okay, I don't have that thing. I want to achieve that thing. What do I really need to achieve that thing? What are the things that I really need to learn? What are the skills that I really need to tap on? What are the books that will make me help to get better around it? Slowly and gradually, one step at a time, and you will be able to be wherever you want to be. It can be anywhere you wish to be, and you will find yourself at one point of time. But all you really need to is do is that you need to take conscious action to achieve that thing. Music. Being a nice guy. क्या है भाई, being a nice guy? There is nothing bad about being a nice guy. But if somebody is not respecting us, do I really need to be a nice guy? No. I wouldn't accept self-respect for myself. Disrespect for myself. I wouldn't accept that. When I go and talk to women, I'm being nice to them. There is nothing bad about being nice to women. But if they're not respecting me, I will not accept that. I'll create a push pull, which will create some sort of excitement in that conversation that I'm having with them. But if they're not respecting me enough, oh no, that is not tolerable. That is not something that I'll take. I am respecting you, give respect back. It's very simple. If you don't want to talk, that's a different thing. The conversation is not going on. That's a different. It's all a different thing. Being nice guy is not bad. Being a good person is not bad. But किस लेवल तक उतना नाइस गाय बन के रहना है, वो नॉलेज होना जरूरी है, वो अवेयरनेस होना जरूरी है, राइट? व्हेन आई गो आउट, have you ever tried to approach after learning this pickup thing, or have you ever tried to go out and learn something?
No, like I don't know if you know this guy Iron Man lifestyle. I don't remember his name right now. Like he's also one of the content creators. Like I saw one of his videos, and this is not. This is like guess some few months ago. It has been a while. Like उसकी एक वीडियो देखने के बाद आई ट्राई टू मैं मेट्रो लाइक मुंबई मेट्रो से मैं अपना कॉलेज जा रहा था टू पिकअप माई मार्कशीट and there was this beautiful girl there. So like I thought कि यार अभी जाता हूँ. So I decided कि जो जैसे ही मेरा स्टॉप आने वाला होगा, नेक्स्ट स्टॉप जहाँ पे मुझे उतरना है, जस्ट बिफोर दैट उसके उसके जो पहले स्टॉप आता है वो जैसे ही निकल जाएगा, आई विल गो अप्रोच हर just so that if anything goes wrong, I have an exit. So like I went, I said like, hello, excuse me. She like yeah, I think so. She was paying attention to her phone. Or no, like she like, and I just said, I just want to say you look beautiful. मैंने बस इतना ही बोला और बोल दिया कि like if I अगर मैंने ये नहीं बोला होता तो like my like मेरा दिन बुरा जाता था. So she said thank you. मैंने अपना नाम इंट्रोड्यूस किया पार्थ. And I just like मैंने अपना हाथ बढ़ाया. She shook my hand. She said her name. I don't even remember what she said. मैं इतना डरा हुआ था वो टाइम पे. And like उसके बाद I just smiled. I just like turned back. And तब तक like और उसके 2 मिनट बाद मेरा स्टेशन आ गया. I got out and I went there. I was happy. I won't even lie. I felt a bit like बोलते हैं ना वो I don't know what it's called, but थोड़ा I felt good. But उससे बाद कभी I have after that I have never approached anyone.
After that, did you not find anybody enough?
I guess I went to the that scariness level again went back. So you know as people I don't know like ऐसा होता है कि once your in cortisol at least it happens. Read somewhere. Once your cortisol level rises up so much कि उसका नया base आ जाता है. I think I went back to the base of my timidness or something. और वो बेस आई गेस वो नया जब मैंने वो वीडियो देखा था मैं बस वो बेस से थोड़ा ऊपर आ गया था. बट आफ्टर दैट लाइक वापस मैं वो उस बेस के ऊपर तक जा ही नहीं पाया। Rather because I have seen more girls out there, but I don't know, I'm usually scared to approach them after that. वो दिन पता नहीं, I really don't know what happened on that day that I go went and approach. Maybe I was way too frustrated कि like I'm not able to talk to anyone for that matter, कि वो frustration में मैंने जाके बोल दिया कि मैं खुद को ही बता देता हूँ कि नहीं भाई ये नहीं है, it's just in your head, but उसके बाद ये वापस कभी हुआ ही। It's okay.
Do you really think that you would want to be a person who can actually approach anywhere?
At least like I would like to have that option. बोलते हैं ना, it's not about Hasan, like there is a comedian named Hasan Minhaj, if you know, उसने एक बार एक चीज बोली थी, there is a big difference between I don't want it and I can't have it, and when don't want becomes can't have, it really hurts. ऐसा नहीं कि like yeah, right now I am at that can't have stage, कि अगर मैं बोल भी दूं कि मैं अगर बोल भी दूं कि मुझे चाहिए ही नहीं, तो like I will mock myself saying तू तुझे मिलेगा भी नहीं। आई जस्ट वांट कि मुझे मिल सकता है, बट मुझे 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 बस वो ऑप्शन चाहिए कि मुझे मिल सकता है। मुझे वो चाहिए नहीं चाहिए वो बात की बात है।
भाई मैं तेरे को ये बात एक बात बताता हूँ, फॉर आवर माइंड, फॉर डूइंग एनीथिंग दैट वी हैव नॉट डन बिफोर, ठीक है, इट इज गोइंग टू बी डेंजरस because our mind does not know कि how is the end of it's going to be, right? So anything that we do which is new for our mind it is dangerous. So our mind tells us not to go and do it. Okay? And it will try to give me everything that will make me stop doing that. Do you understand what I say?
Hmm.
So when it comes to cold approaches, whenever I have to go and really talk to a person that I want to talk to, my mind will tell me enough number of reasons that why I should not approach. Because for my it is a new thing and it is dangerous. ठीक है? अब इसको सोचो इस तरीके से, मैं अप्रोच करने गया, बंदी ने मेरे को थप्पड़ मार दिया, उसने मेरे को चिल्ला दिया, गाली दे दी, सुना दिया, उसने लोगों को बुला दिया, उसने मेरे से बात ही नहीं करी, वो चली गई, उसने मेरे को रिजेक्ट कर दिया, उस मेरे फ्रेंड्स मेरे से दूर दूर से हंस रहे हैं, या लोग मेरे को देख के हंस रहे हैं, या दे आर लुकिंग एट अस कॉलिंग मी क्रीप, my mind will give me all those reasons in just next 3 to 5 seconds if I have to go and approach someone. But think about it. If I approach her before that, what will happen? My mind will not be able to give me all those reasons, and I will be already in the interaction, and I will really be able to see what will actually happen in the interaction. Most of the times, nothing happens. Nothing happens. Like I have done approaches in thousands number of times. Trust me, if I'm saying it, I've done it. I have never seen anything happening. Zada se zada, if you are a person who would not like to talk to a person, if I come to and tell you a compliment that you look really pretty, bro, what will you say? अगर तू एक ऐसा भी बंदा है जिसको बात ही नहीं करनी किसी से, गुस्से में भी है, ज्यादा ज्यादा क्या बोलेगा? If I compliment you, कि भाई क्यों बात करने आया है, मैं तेरे को जानता हूँ क्या, यही बोलेगा ना, मार थोड़ी देगा, थप्पड़ थोड़ी मार देगा, लड़ाई थोड़ी करने लग जाएगा. My mind is only giving me that situations because for mind it can be a dangerous situation, and my mind has never been into that situation. That's why I'm becoming nervous. That's why I'm giving all these. और जब इतने सारे थॉट्स आ जाते हैं तब हमको लगता है कि नहीं अप्रोच करना सही नहीं, लेकिन इसको ओवरकम कैसे करना है? What is the basic step that I can take when I have to talk to someone? I'll start walking towards her right in that moment when I saw her. And within 3 to 5 seconds, I am in front of her and I have said hi to her. अगर मैंने 3 सेकंड के अंदर या 4 सेकंड के अंदर हाय बोल दिया, आई एम ऑलरेडी इन दैट सिचुएशन नाउ, आई विल डील विद इट. बट अगर मैंने 5 सेकंड तक यही करता रहा कि मैं यहाँ से सोच रहा हूँ कि मैं जाऊँ या नहीं जाऊँ, तब मेरा माइंड मेरे को बहुत सारे रीजंस देने लग जाएगा नहीं जाने. कुछ नहीं होता. Trust me, the basic step, the smallest step that you can take at that point of time is the most easiest thing that you can do. And from there, you walk, and within 3 to 5 seconds, you approach. And once you approach, you will be able to see what really happens. And trust me, most of the times, a woman will appreciate you for complimenting her. I really believe this, that complimenting a woman or a girl or woman, like they put a lot of efforts into being the best version of themselves, right?
Yeah.
And for a girl, it would be the best thing around that has happened to her in a day, that if a person comes up to her and genuinely he wants to compliment her, trust me, that would be the best thing about her day. If a person walks up to her and gives her a genuine compliment, why will she fight with you? Why will she shout at you? Why will she slap you? She will not. But to practice this, you'll have to go out. You'll have to follow a 3 to 5 second rule. और उससे पहले भी कर सकते हो. उससे पहले भी, how can you do that? While you are walking on the road, make eye contact with people. Have a smile on your face and just pass a smile to someone who is just walking in front of you. Maybe the person will smile you back. Maybe they won't. It does not matter. But slowly and gradually, you will start feeling confident in making eye contact with people. The next thing that you can do, what is the next thing that you can do? You can start random conversation with people. You come through Mumbai local, I guess, right? You can start making conversation with people standing next to you. How was your day, bro? How was your day? भाई क्या was it a tough day? Or did you have fun at your workplace? What did you eat in lunch? I like your t-shirt, man. I like your shirt. I like your shoes. How old are you? Where are you from? Slowly find a common connection. And once you find common connection, you will start talking. And slowly, your mind will understand that initiating conversations or interactions are not that tough. It is not that dangerous. You can just go and talk. And slowly you will find yourself in places like that and you will approach women as well. It will be all easy for you. So next time when you go out, don't try to run away from people. Actually make eye contact. And you will start understanding that these things work very easily. You'll try to make conversation. Give yourself time to go out on your own where you don't have anyone around you. Or find a guy, friend who can do approaches with you. Why not? Trust me, if you find a person who has very similar things, you will be practicing it more. You'll be approaching more. And you'll find dates from there. So this is how you can learn more. Uske baad, there is a long process that we can work on. One can work on like stimulating, multiple threading, push pull, banter, tease. There are a lot of strategies, man to woman frame, uh, polarity, a different number of things that you have to learn. But everybody starts from the basic step. Yeah. Right? So you have to try to approach. That is the most important thing. The first thing that you really need to do is that you have to approach. You have to go through that. Go and get rejected, by. There is nothing bad about getting rejected. It's part of the process. I have got, matlab, I'll tell you so many. I have got rejected so many times. Even I got rejected probably 3-4 days back when I approached last time. What's the big deal in getting rejected? Maybe that rejection was not about me. That rejection was about the girl. She had something in her head. उसके दिमाग में बहुत सारी चीजें होंगी, उसकी लाइफ में बहुत सारी चीजें होंगी जिसके चक्कर में उसको मेरे से बात नहीं करनी होगी. It's okay. What's the big deal? नहीं करी बात. I'll use it in a positive way. I'll try to end that interaction. Okay, you don't really want to talk to me. You know what? I'll surely tell this to the next girl that I'll talk to. That this girl I met, she didn't wanted to talk to me, bro. And she was really amazing though. But I told her that the next girl I'll talk to, I'll tell her that she was pretty, but you are prettier. It's just how you take it, how you make your mind feel about it. If you're taking it taking that rejection personally, you'll start feeling bad about it. If you will tell her that, okay, this is not about me, I'm sure this is not about me. I'm sure that I'm really good looking, but you have got some good things happening in your life, and it's totally fine. I find you nervous. This is all how it goes. And it's a skill one can adapt, one can master. Slowly and gradually, one can master that skill of learning, understanding social dynamics, feeling more abundant, understanding your emotions better. Once you start doing that, slowly there is no looking back. You'll find yourself in a very different direction, and you'll find yourself in a state where you want to be the best possible man that you can be.
Then good. Yeah, being the best version of myself, that's the end goal of me.
Yeah.
Because
Because I would just say this, that start with the basic approach. Start with the basic approach, and you will find yourself. I know there are a lot more number of steps to it. If you want to learn it, I have certain ways where I can teach you this. We can work on long term or different number of things. But today's session is not about that. Today's consultation is not about that. It is all about, what are your doubts? Where are you getting stuck? Tell me. I'll try to help you out there in that moment. And you go and do it tomorrow. Come back. You feel better about this. You feel good about this. Come back to me and tell me. I'll teach you how you can learn it more with me. But today's session is more about, try it, go out, try it, and at least go and give it a try.
sure, sure.
Anything that you want to ask before we end up this call?
Mm, I know like there might be मैंने देखे हैं like you do also do boot camps. And I am the type of guy जिसको immediate feedback चाहिए कुछ भी चीज़ में, because I have tried video courses, video books. I have almost done everything, and I am talking this across the board. Whenever I want to learn something, I only learn if some जो अगर कोई मेरे पीछे पड़ेगा, because I have ADHD. I know that. तो उसकी वजह से जब तक कोई मेरे पीछे नहीं पड़ता, I don't learn, and that I need that immediate feedback. Because अगर अगर feedback नहीं मिलता, so I am not motivated to learn something new or do something new.
I know.
How can ho so how can I get that immediate feedback? As you said, like, you don't take rejection personally, but the first thing I do, I know that I will take rejection personally. Or are there anything
You'll just go through it. You'll get over this. Uh, Once you are aware about the right things to do. Okay? It's a conscious effort of learning and being aware of doing the right things. And from there, once you are aware about the right things, it becomes part of your subconscious mind. And slowly it becomes, when you are doing it very often, slowly it becomes part of your subconscious mind. And then from there, it is easy to take over. But again, first thing is to conscious make an effort of learning something, being aware of something, practicing it, then from there it becomes part of your subconscious, right? So uh, what I'll really do is, you must be, since you know about the boot camps and everything that I do, I'm traveling to, and if you really want to learn something like this, I'll send you a calendar link. Okay.
Okay.
And somebody from my team will connect to you personally after the link. There is a training video also in that particular calendar link. What you really need to do is, after booking the call, uh it's a free call. Okay. I'll send you that link. Just book the free call, and somebody from my team will connect with you. They'll tell you how I particularly come and help you out in the programs and everything. How does the boot camp happen? When is the latest I'm coming? And according to your affordability, you can book on the dates and everything, and they'll help you out with everything, right?
Sure.
Anything, I hope this call was useful for you. I'm sorry that you did face the जो भी तेरे हाथ बात में लगे. I'm sorry for that, but trust me, I can help you from taking this place to the person that you wish to be, at least in your dating life. And we can work on together and slowly. Uh, but before that, give it this thing a try. What we have talked about,
Sure.
slowly you will feel better. Trust me, you'll feel better with that.
I will. Tomorrow, actually, I'm going for an office outing for 2 days, so I might try it there also. I will, like, to be honest, I will.
एक काम करना, I'll send you a link right now on your chat. ठीक है? And use that link to book a call. लेकिन उस कॉल को 2 दिन के बाद का बुक कर.
Okay.
ठीक है? तो तेरे पास एक्सपीरियंस होगा to share it with the team, and accordingly they can help you with something. Okay,
sure.
amazing guy. Really nice day, and it was lovely talking to you.
Same here, same here. Have a nice day. Thank you so much.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.